Suprabhat. Today we are going to learn how to find median of grouped frequency distribution table. So let's find the median of the marks. What is meant by median? Here, what is the class? Class is students' marks. That is, we want to find marks of the student who has been exactly at the middle of the whole class. That is, the middlemost student have scored some marks, and that we want to find. What are the classes? 0 to 20. How many students are from 0 to 20? There are 4 students. 20 to 40, there are 20 students. 40 to 60, there are 30 students. 60 to 80, there are 40 students. And 80 to 100, there are 6 students. And total 100 students are there. This is nothing but n. Summation Fi. There are total 100 students. That these 100 students are appearing for some exam and getting some marks. Now, from this, what can we say? How many students have got less than 20 marks? There are only 4 students. Previous class frequency is 0. So, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4 students have scored less than 20 marks. Now, how many students have scored less than 40 marks? These 4 plus these 20. Total 24 students have scored. This 4 plus 20 is equal to 24 students have scored less than 40 marks. And 40 to 60, that is, how many students have scored less than 60 marks? This 24 plus this 30, that is equal to 54 students have scored less than 60 marks. How many students have scored less than 80 marks? Can we find? Okay, it can be written as 54 plus 40 is equal to 94. And how many students have scored less than 100 marks? All the 100 students have scored less than 100 marks. That is 94 plus 6 is equal to 100 students. This is nothing but n. Remember always, this is nothing but n. Now we want medians, means if we arrange the marks of all students in ascending order, we need for median, what we need? It is 50th score. What will be the 50th score? So we can see that total 54 students, 54 scores are less than 60 and 24 scores are less than 40. That means this 50th score belongs to this class. That means median class is here. N by 2. What is n by 2? N is equal to 100. Therefore, n by 2 is equal to 100 upon 2. That is equal to 50. And 50 is just less than 54. So, this is the median class. This is the median class. Going downward, this is class. So, this is median class. And this is frequency of median class. What is cumulative frequency of previous class? It is CF. It is cumulative frequency of class before the median class. What is total number of scores? It is 100. That is number of students. Total frequency, summation frequency is 100. That is, there are 100 scores. Did you get it? Now, we want to find this 50th score. And 50th score belongs to the class 40 to 60. That means lower limit. of median class. L is equal to, what is it? Lower limit. It is equal to 40. What is frequency of median class? It is F is equal to 30. Now suppose if we take a line bar, that is, this is 40 to 60, that if this class is denoted like this, up to this there are 24 are completed and remaining are up to 54, these are remaining. So this class contains 30 scores. Width of this class is 20. So we have to divide this class into 30 parts. We have to divide this class into 30 parts, and after 24, 26th part we have to take somewhere here. Understood? That is 24 plus 26 is equal to 50. So formula for median becomes median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into F upon H. What is width of median class? H is equal to width of only median class. It is equal to 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. Okay. So, putting the values. Here we get median is equal to, what is L? 40 plus n by 2 50 minus CF 24 into, what is F? H upon F. It is not F, it is H upon F. H upon F. That is equal to 40 plus 26 into 20 upon 30. This 0 gets cancelled. 40 plus 52 upon 3. That is equal to 40 plus 17.33. That gives us median equals to 40.00 plus 17.33, that is equal to 57.33. So median of the table is 57.33 marks. Understood? Look at this sum. Here, average speed of some vehicles is given and frequency, that is number of vehicles, that is given with these numbers. Now we will find the cumulative. We have to find median speed of the vehicles. So we will find first cumulative frequency less than usual. Initial class is 0, so 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Now 10 plus 34 is equal to 44. 44 plus 55 equals to 99. 99 plus 85 is equal to 184. 184 plus 10 is equal to 194, and 194 plus 6 is equal to 200. So there are total 200 vehicles, that is n is equal to 200. So here we will write n equals to 200. What is n by 2? n by 2 is equal to 100. That we want to find speed of 100th vehicle if it is arranged in ascending order. Now here we can see which class is there. Here it is the class 100 score belongs to this class. Okay, 75 to 79. Speed limit is 75 to 79. So median class, as 100 is just less than 184, that is we can write 99 is less than 100 less than 184, therefore which is 75 to 79 is median class, and its frequency f is equal to 85. Okay, f is equal to, now look at, just here the classes are not continuous. After that, before it those are continuous, and after that also those are continuous. Just here the classes are not continuous. And for finding median, as in formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H upon F. So here cumulative frequency of previous class is 99, and we need L and 100 score. 100 score can lie between 74 to 75 also. So here it is must that we have to make the classes continuous. So these classes, it doesn't means whether the previous class is what continuous or not continuous. It does not affect. Whether the last classes are continuous or not continuous, it does not affect. We have to make the class which contains median, we have to make the same class continuous, and so we will write the continuous classes for these classes. It is 64 to 69.5. It is 69.5 to 74.5. It is 74.5 to 79. So L, value of L, though it is median class, L is equal to 74.5. Remember always, to find the median, we have to make classes. Median class must be continuous. Doesn't matter whether the remaining classes are continuous or not. So median class must be continuous, and therefore its continuous limit. So value of L, continuous limit, this is L. This is median class and it is L, and this is F. So putting in the formula, we know n by 2, we know CF, we know F. What is H? Now let us find H. H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. Now it is allowed. Okay. 79 minus so it becomes, now here class width is upper limit minus lower limit, 79 minus 74.5, it comes out to be 5.5, and 74, L is equal to 74.5, 74.5, because we cannot change, because these two limits are continuous, therefore we cannot change. There is difference only between these two limits again are same, so we cannot change. Okay, we have to make only these limits continuous. Understood? So what is there? 1.1 divided by 7. So we can calculate here roughly. 1.1 divided by 7. Because height of the class is only 5.5. And frequency is 85. That gives us 70. That comes out to be 0.0. Again here 0 is taken. And 17. 5 the 17, 17. सखद 17 6, so 102, 8, 0, 4, 74 points plus 0.064. So we can add 74.564. It is the speed. What is the unit of speed here? Average speed of here? Here unit is kilometer per hour. So here our answer is the median speed of the vehicles is 74.564 kilometer per hour. Understood? Solve these sums.